Hello one and all, it's me Chanel again here. We are back in the primary bedroom getting ready for the upcoming holiday season, Christmas, doing all of our Christmas decorating. What I'm going to do is add a lot of Christmas cheer along this space. Typically I don't do a tree in this room. If I did, it was something very small. I would do an arrangement of some sort. This year I am actually placing a tree in this room and I am loving it. So there, number one, as you can tell here, if you look behind me, the white, or rather the cream curtains are back here on the window. I brought the cream back because again I am going for very light, open, airy, and bright, and a bit of a sparkle and shine, because so gold will be added to the space. A bit of a glam factor, yes, a bit of glam, luxe, however you want to put it. It's luxe for me because it's very enveloping and cozy and comfortable, so it's luxurious in feel. And I'm going to add all of the things to the tree in the space. I'm using a flock tree. Unlike in the previous space, which was the sitting area, my library area that is going across the room, see another room across there, I went with a green tree because I just wanted something with some color over there because it was playing off the bathroom, which is straight across. And we'll just continue on with all of the Christmas festivities and all of the decorating that is about to go on in this space and in many other spaces. So stay tuned in for that, as I'm going to attempt this year. Don't hold me to it, but do come back and put your notification bells on, because I am going to attempt, yes, for the first time, Vlogmas. I'm probably going to start early, so just start watching and be very woke and aware that Chanel is going to attempt this. So I hope you enjoy it. And this is my attempt to play up on the algorithm so it can pick me back up and rotate me back in the system, because these views are not being very kind. And I'm just going to say it. They are not being very kind. I don't know if you're not getting the notifications on the videos or whatnot, or I just do believe that people who are supposed to be in your life and around you, yes, they are going to be there. And those who need to be will eventually come. But we want you to come a little bit quicker. So let's get right into the video. Now, with that being said, well, with the next item of business, we're going to go ahead and put up the tree. And with the trees and a lot of my decorations, I just want to say this, throw this little note in there. What I usually do at the end of the year or at the end of the season is taking my trees, my ornaments, and different decorations. When I am putting them in their bins, I like to label them. So I like to get an idea in my head, maybe, of what I will be doing or probably doing for the next upcoming season. I have something already in my head, an idea and a direction that I want to go in for the next season. Whole tree up. It is not yes, this one that you see here now in the space is pre-lit, and we'll go ahead and start adding all of the ornaments to the tree. I'm not going to load it up with ornaments again. I'm not going really sparse, but just with very pops of the gold color, champagne, little ribbon in between, because we know with flock trees they're already exceptionally beautiful and stand out a lot on their own with their fake or faux snow that is on the branch. It adds a beautiful presence in just about any space. And I know that this is very much a growing trend where people are adding 3-4 trees to one area. I think it's very beautiful in a lot of the space, as long as you have the capacity to handle something like that. But there are some beautiful looks that are going on, and I am enjoying thus far watching many YouTube videos of the creators who are displaying all of their magical looking, rather say whimsical, beautiful decorations that is going on in the very different sort of styles that you are seeing in each one of these videos. Some of them are very, very minimal. Some of them are abundantly decorated and some of them are in between. I'm probably going to fall somewhere in the in-between stage in most of my trees that you will see, but there is going to be a lot more to come. So again, stay tuned in because I, again, am going to attempt Vlogmas. So keep watching all of the videos as they continue to roll out. To be adding all of the ornaments to the tree. And as you can see here, I have the different colors that I'll be adding, which is a lot of the things that, well, will be all of the things that I already have, which is this beautiful gold color. I like that it is a matte finish on this gold. It's not a shiny gold, which I like both shiny gold, matte gold. This happens to be a matte gold. So I have these bulbs that is in the champagne color. One is a glass bulb. So there is a mixture of different bulbs in here. Then I have the very large size bowls, and they are in this matte finish. It's very soft. It almost feels like it is velvet. I also have some gold ribbon. Let me grab that. So I do also have this gorgeous gold ribbon. It has a bit of a shimmer to it. You see the ribbon and how it looks. I like that it's very soft ribbon. I want a very luxurious feel, soft, comfortable and cozy feel, because I want a flowy feel, which as you can see here, it just lays down or it just falls gracefully over with this gorgeous gold. So let's just take everything right over here to the tree. I will use this gorgeous green color emerald that I used in the sitting area space that I mentioned. And again, if you haven't seen that video, it is linked down below. Buttery and velvety smooth. I purchased this a few years ago. It was Home Goods, and I purchased 2 of them. And as you can see here, all of the it just so enveloping is what it feels like. I tell you, there she goes again. I haven't done that in a long time, just filling it up. But it is just so soft, and it just makes you want to curl up on the couch, but I can't curl up because I need to finish that. Now we can go ahead and add the ornament box back on top of it and get them all ready. Space again, I'm not going to use any blue for this season. I may add some later, you never know, because I'm still enjoying my blue. The blue is not going anywhere. It's just not going to be in this space. See, like I said before, the pillows will definitely play off the tree and vice versa with the gold going on. So I have 2 of these very large ones. I have had these for so many years, and I just continue to like it. It is from the brand, I believe I spoke of it, DKNY. Works together. And if you're interested in any of the pillow covers, as you know, they are linked down below in the description area. Designs by Chanel. In my Etsy shop, a down and feather feel, you are able to plump them, whereas with a poly feel, it pretty much stays stationary. With the down and poly, you can press it down, it can get flat, easy to store, even with a poly feel. And there's just many reasons why people use poly instead of down, or because of allergies. So it's understandable if you want to stick with a material such as a poly feel. Like the look of the flat fold, so I figured I'd give it this to just some extra billowing movement to it, so it wouldn't look so boring just being flat. Now let's finalize this complete look. And remember, with all of your doing and doing for other people, do something special for yourself. As always, stay inspired, motivated, and moving, creating something beautiful, if not for yourself, then for someone else. Happy holidays. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and I'll see you all for the next one. Bye for now.
It's white outside, and the night is cold. Everyone's lighting candles in their homes. Yes, it's Christmas. It's a magic time. You can feel it in the air, that every child got their hearts filled up with joy. Yes, it's Christmas all around. All snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing, Merry Christmas to you. This time of year is a time to cheer. Let our loved ones, our family and friends have a Christmas with so much love, and with joy and laughter. Let us make memories that stay forever. It's Christmas today. All snow is falling down,